In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring reminders in Slack. Now, I know that keeping track of tasks can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you have a lot on your plate. That's where recurring reminders in Slack come in handy. They allow you to automate reminders for regular tasks, so you always stay on top of your game without having to remember everything yourself. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your Slack workspace where you want to set the recurring reminder. Make sure you're in the right channel if your reminder is specific to a particular group or conversation context. Once there, click into the message box where you typically type your message. Now, here's the trick. We're going to use Slack's built-in command system to help us with this task. Type /, then the word remind, just like this. Remind. That's the magic word that will kick off the reminder setup process. Next, you'll type out the specifics of your reminder. After the word remind, enter who you want to remind. You have a few options here. It could be yourself, another team member, or even a whole channel. Let's say you want to remind yourself. You'd type, remind me, followed by the task or message you need to be reminded of. But an important part of reminders, especially recurring ones, is timing. Right after your task message, specify the time and frequency you'd like to be reminded. You can choose a simple setup like every day at 9 a.m. or every Monday at 3 p.m. Type this immediately after your task description. Make sure the time span and recurrence pattern you specify fit the needs of your task, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've entered all that information, hit enter. Slack will immediately summarize your reminder and provide a confirmation message in the conversation thread. It's super straightforward, and you can rest easy knowing that Slack will take over the role of nudging you at just the right moments. Should you need to adjust or delete a reminder, simply head to the Slackbot channel. This is where Slack stores all your reminders. You'll see them listed, and by clicking on each one, you have options to edit or delete. This flexibility comes in handy when your priorities shift or when you simply need to adjust the timing of an existing reminder. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can leverage Slack to set reliable, recurring reminders, making sure you never miss a beat in your day-to-day hustle. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this video with anyone who could use a little extra organization in their life. Happy reminding!